Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sound and vibration. Then let's localize either SIM1 ringtone or SIM2 ringtone. Basically those two options are assigned to the ringtones. As you can see, they are also divided between two different SIM cards, which is really cool option because you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and totally different for the second SIM card. So let me choose, for example, this one. It does not really matter in the case of this tutorial. And after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones, from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will never use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got this Add Ringtone option, which means that we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right there and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So let me pick this one. And of course, I've got my device muted. Yeah, sure. Okay, can we hear anything right now? Oh my god. Okay, for sure we can hear. So this is how it works. Basically, just tap on the option and decide whether you like it or not. And if you like one, so let's pretend I like this, she's all that, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.